Hi, I'm Maxim Tytarenko, founder of Tytarenko AI, an AI native development agency based in Florida. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how we empower U.S. small and mid sized businesses to launch production ready AI products in just 2 to 4 weeks, instead of the usual 6 to 18 months, and at a fraction of the cost of a Big Four engagement. To set the stage, here are a few key numbers. Our typical MVP delivery takes only 2 to 4 weeks. Our clients enjoy approximately a 3 times return on their investment with us, and we've successfully delivered over 50 AI products to date. This success is driven by our unique methodology, which we call vibe coding. Let me explain the problem it addresses. Every company today wants AI, but almost none of them manage to ship it. Why is that? There are three main walls standing in the way. Wall 1 is speed. Traditional development can take 6 to 18 months. By the time you finally ship, your competitor has already launched, learned, and iterated. Wall 2 is cost. Enterprise agencies start at $250,000. If you're hiring in-house, expect to pay between $150,000 to $300,000 a year per engineer, and you'll need several. Wall 3 is expertise. According to McKinsey's 2025 report, 46% of business leaders identify the skills gap as the top barrier to AI adoption. But that last point isn't just a challenge, it's a market, a massive addressable market for anyone who can bridge this gap. This brings us to the opportunity. Let's talk about why this is the moment. The global AI market is projected to hit $1.8 trillion by 2030. 57% of U.S. small and mid-sized businesses are already using AI in some form, and 96% say they plan to adopt new AI tech in the next 12 months. The vibe coding subsegment specifically is growing at a 36% compound annual rate. But the headline numbers aren't the story, the timing is. 3 reasons to move now. First mover advantage is closing. SMBs are adopting AI twice as fast as any prior tech cycle. Agencies that enter the market now capture the wave. Agencies that wait will be commodity. Second, the skills gap becomes our market. $644 billion went into generative AI in 2025, but 46% of leaders can't execute without a partner. They need us. Third, vibe coding has gone mainstream. Cursor, Lovable, Replit, these are now industry standard tools. AI-assisted development isn't a gimmick anymore, it's the new baseline, so we're early, but no longer experimental. Here's who we are. Tytarenko AI is a full-cycle AI development studio. We're based in Florida, focused on the US market, and we're available now. Here's the most important thing I want you to remember. We are not consultants who deliver decks. We are builders who deliver production software. Our vibe coding methodology lets us deliver AI systems 3 to 5 times faster than traditional teams, without sacrificing quality or scalability. We handle the full stack, from architecture to deployment to support. One team, one point of contact, one fixed price. 4 pillars hold this up: speed, MVP in 2 to 4 weeks; price, fixed scope, fixed budget; quality, production-grade output, not prototypes; and coverage, strategy through deployment through ongoing support. Now let me explain how vibe coding actually works. Vibe coding is our proprietary AI-native development workflow. In plain language, it compresses 6 months of traditional development into 2 to 4 weeks, without leaving behind technical debt. The numbers behind it: 3 to 5 times faster delivery, 60 to 80% lower cost per iteration, and a working first prototype in your hands within 2 weeks. One important note on positioning, and this matters when we talk to clients. We don't say we use vibe coding because most clients don't know what that means. We don't say AI-assisted development, too abstract. And we don't say we use Cursor and modern tools, too technical. Sounds like we're just bragging about our IDE. What we do say is the outcome. We deliver MVPs in 2 to 4 weeks instead of 3 to 6 months. Our methodology cuts your iteration cost by 60 to 80%. You'll see your first prototype 5 business days after the kickoff brief. That's how we sell it. outcomes, not jargon. We offer 6 service lines, and importantly, all 6 run on the same vibe coding rails. That's why we can move so fast across them. AI strategy, custom LLM solutions, AI workflow automation, predictive analytics. This is usually where engagements start. Vibe coding development, MVP in 2 to 4 weeks, AI assisted pair programming, production grade output. SaaS development, full stack scalable SaaS apps, modern cloud architecture. AI chatbots and agents, multi channel support, custom training, seamless integration into your existing systems. Process automation, RPA solutions, smart integrations, workflow optimization, and data intelligence, data pipelines, real time analytics, custom BI dashboards. Whether you need a single purpose chatbot or a complete AI transformation, we cover the whole stack. Pricing. We do this differently than most agencies. No hourly billing surprises, no scope creep. You know exactly what you get. 3 packages. Entry, the AI audit, $2,000, one time, delivered in 1 week. You get a 60-minute strategy session, a process and data audit, a prioritized AI roadmap, an ROI calculation, and tech stack recommendations. This is the front door. The most popular, Vibe MVP. $10,000, fixed price, 2 to 4 week delivery. This is full architecture and spec, custom AI integration, LLM, RAG, agents, whatever your use case requires, production deployment, complete documentation, and 30 days of post-launch support. Most clients start here. Ongoing, the AI retainer, $5,000 a month. Cancel anytime. A dedicated senior engineer, weekly iterations, architecture reviews, async first communication. This is for clients who want continuous evolution after the initial MVP. Notice, there's a clear glide path. Audit, then build, then retain. Each step justifies the next. Let me make this concrete with a real case study. Lumighost Enterprises, an AI-powered customer service platform we shipped in 3 weeks. The stack, GPT-4, Next.js, Python, PostgreSQL, and a RAG pipeline. The challenge, their Tier 1 support team couldn't scale with product growth. Response times were getting worse, and customer retention was starting to suffer. Our solution, a custom AI platform built on LLM plus retrieval augmented generation. We effectively replaced a 4-person Tier 1 support team with AI agents, and we shipped it in 3 weeks using Vibe coding. The results, and these are real numbers from production. Response times dropped by 60 to 80%. Customer satisfaction scores went up 30 to 40%. And over 70% of incoming tickets are now auto-resolved by AI without any human touch. 3 weeks, 1 client, real impact. Let's be honest about where we sit in the market. 4 categories of providers. Here's the truthful comparison. Big consultants, McKinsey, Accenture tier, high expertise, high strategy depth, full custom AI capability, but 6 to 18 months delivery and $250,000 minimum, out of reach for most SMBs. Freelancers, cheaper, 2 to 6 months, $30,000 to $100,000, but variable expertise, low strategy depth, individual accountability. If your freelancer disappears, your project disappears. No-code AI platforms, fast, cheap, 5 to 25,000, but limited expertise, no strategy, no real custom AI. Platform SLA is your only safety net. Tytarenko AI, 2 to 4 weeks, $10,000 to $100,000 range, high expertise, high strategy depth, full custom AI, and accountability that goes from the team all the way up to the founder. The sweet spot, enterprise-grade strategy, plus freelancer-grade speed, plus genuine custom AI at SMB pricing. Nobody else offers all 4. Here's exactly how an engagement runs. Predictable cadence, async-first communication, no surprises. Step 1, AI audit, week 1. A 60-minute session, a process review, a data audit, and you walk away with an AI roadmap that includes ROI projections. Step 2, architecture, days 1 to 3. We design the tech stack, select the right AI models for your use case, plan integrations, and lock in a fixed scope spec. Step 3, Build, weeks 2 to 4. This is where vibe coding earns its keep. Daily async updates, iterative delivery, continuous testing. Step 4. Deploy and support, week 4 and beyond. Production launch, 30 days of included support, full documentation, and team handoff if you want to take it in-house. And one important call out. The AI audit is free. 60 minutes, zero commitment. You can book it directly at tytarenkoagency.com. A quick word about who's behind this. I'm Maxim Tytarenko, founder and CEO, based in Hallandale Beach, Florida. My background, Harvard Business School core, completed in 2023, analytics, economics, accounting. Before this agency, I co-founded Lumighost, a multi-award winning game and blockchain studio. I've been doing AI development for over 5 years, working hands-on with LLMs, RAG, computer vision, and automation. My day-to-day stack is Python, TypeScript, Next.js, FastAPI, OpenAI, LangChain, and GCP AWS. A few projects I'd like you to remember. Business Growth AI Advisor, 2025. A RAG-based system that generates investor-grade PDF reports with Stripe integration. This is the tool that helped users secure $2.5 million in funding. Project A, 2024. A conversational AI with an emotional state system. And the multi-lane axe throwing detection system, 2023. Computer vision running in real time at 95% accuracy. The numbers at the bottom: 14 plus years engineering, 50 plus AI products shipped, 100% client retention. We don't lose clients, they come back. Here are the agency level numbers, all in one place. 50 plus AI products shipped, 100% client retention, 89% accuracy on our flagship AI Advisor product, and $2.5 million in funding secured by users of our tools. 3 quick portfolio highlights. Our Business Growth AI Advisor validated over 1,000 business ideas and helped users raise that $2.5 million in funding. Our AI customer service platform, the Lumighost case I just walked you through, 60 to 80% faster response times, 70+% of tickets auto-resolved, and our multi-lane detection system, 95% accuracy on real-time computer vision for axe-throwing venues, different industries, different stacks, same methodology, same outcomes. So, what happens next? Let's start with a free audit. 60 minutes, zero commitment. You walk away with a prioritized AI roadmap and an ROI estimate, even if you decide not to work with us. 3 steps. Step 1. Book the free AI audit at tytarenkoagency.com. Step 2. Receive your AI roadmap and ROI estimate within 1 week. Step 3. Decide whether to proceed. No pressure, no commitment. You can reach me directly at m@tytarenko.org, on the website at tytarenkoagency.com, or just hit the Book Free Audit button and I'll see you on the call. AI development, vibe speed, all systems operational, built with the vibe coding methodology. If you take one thing away from today, take this. The companies that ship AI in 2026 are the ones that decided to start in weeks, not quarters. Let's get you there. Thank you.